Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we're talking Stellar XLM, the asset that sort of has been mirroring XRP's sort of patterns and trading style for quite a while now. Now it's recently sort of broke away from that and behaving on its own. But we'll start off with an update and then see where this thing could be going in the future. Okay, so currently priced at 25 cents, just shy of 26 cents. In the last year, it's down. It's up 28%. In the last month, it's down 17%. In the last week, it's down 14%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 1.3%. So not too bad in the last 24 hours, but still an absolute bloodbath here if we're referencing the last week and the last basically month. Roughly like a 20% dip there. Very, very aggressive, very disgusting. It feels like yesterday we were trading at $33, but now down at 33 cents, not 20, 33 cents, not not $33, right? Now we're at 25 cents. In terms of news for XLM, you can see Stellar is quietly becoming a tokenization powerhouse. Here's what the drifting. Here's what's driving the shift. Okay, now you can see that they always focus on payments, and but the picture apparently is changing fast. As analysts pointed out, Stellar is now making big moves in the field of tokenization, RWAs, and even renewable energy products. Well, we know how it works. We know how VBeta's doing with VeChain. Not very well. Okay, it seems like the people in crypto don't really care about sustainability, which is absolutely fine. Now let's go over to the chart and let's see where this thing could be going and how we can be trading it to be making as much money as physically possible, because that's obviously why we're here. Before we do that, guys, talking of making money, talking about pre-sales, talking about projects that have the opportunity and potential to do well, Best Wallet is the brand new non-custodial wallet here that is basically the same as MetaMask and Phantom, but it's better, it's cheaper, it's got more settings, and they're actually about to offer their own Visa debit card for people to basically pay pay for crypto with their groceries, pay for their groceries with their crypto, right? Using their Visa debit card on their phone, which is going to be connected to their non-custodial wallet, basically bridging the gap between day-to-day fiat transactions, pounds, euros, dollars, with stable coins. Okay, so basically opening up that door and giving people the chance to pay with stable coins. Now they are in a pre-sale phase. $17 million so far has been raised, which is pretty goddamn good, but and they are basically launching in literally like 10 days time. Okay, so if you guys do want to get involved, now's your chance. Time is running out. This thing will explode and launch very, very soon. So obviously go do your own research. There's loads of white paper. There's a white paper, roadmap, ecosystem, tokenomics, the whole shebang. Everything you need to know is there. Go check it out for yourself. All the links are in the description. Now looking at the Stellar chart, as we just sort of hinted that we were going to do, you can see here this is the level of support that we have seen in previous price action. Okay, quite aggressive to the upside, to say the least. Where are we right now? We're sat directly on that level of support. This could mean multiple things. Okay, it really could mean multiple things here, because it is a little bit it's an interesting market right now. Okay, so that would be the trend line that I'm doing, and you can see we have got quite an explosive move to the upside here. Obviously this is back in November here, but right now when you see something like this, it is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, no real direction of the trend. But if this thing does actually break down, it's going to be an absolute bloodbath for this asset. Okay, an absolute bloodbath, guys, and literally we're talking chunks of crypto getting wiped out here. 37% decline for this asset, which could very easily potentially happen here. We're not going to be blindly shorting this asset and going for that. We're going to basically be looking for buying areas. Okay, that's sort of the best play here, I do believe, because this market is a bullish market still. We have institutional money flying around all the time. If you're shorting into this, you could very easily get wrecked by a bit of momentum like this. So we don't want to be doing that. We just want to be looking for DCA, dollar cost average areas. As this thing dumps down, we're buying all the way down, and then when it returns, we're going to get a really nice average price, and we're going to make a really nice big bit of money when it does return back to the upside. Okay, but yeah, that's the strategy for Stellar. Let me know what you think in the comment section about that, guys. I want to know your opinions, and also drop a little like if you found any sort of value here. Go check out Best Wallet, all the links in the description there as well. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.